In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage the security of your Gmail account by controlling your active sessions. Let's dive right in. First, head over to gmail.com and log into your account using your usual credentials. This is your digital mailbox where you manage messages, significant updates, and sometimes sensitive information. So, it's crucial to keep it secure and under your control. Once logged in and you've entered your Gmail dashboard, pay attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. This section contains valuable information about your account's recent activity. Here, you'll find an option labeled Last Account Activity. Click on Details right next to it. This feature is like a magnifying glass into the activity on your account, giving you insights into where your account is being accessed from. Upon clicking Details, a window will emerge, unveiling a list of all devices and locations that are currently logged into your Gmail account. You'll see details such as the device type and approximate location. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring that no unauthorized devices are accessing your email. Go over this information carefully. If you notice more devices than you remember logging in on, or if a location looks unfamiliar, it's time to take control. Right there in this pop-up window, you'll find an option to sign out of all other web sessions. Click this to log out from every device except the one you're using to access this window. This is a quick and efficient way to ensure unmonitored access is cut off. Now, if you've noticed earlier that there were unfamiliar devices or suspicious activity on your account, let's go the extra mile to secure it further. Head over to your Google account settings. Within this page, navigate to the security section and find the option labeled Your Devices. Here you'll be presented with a list of all devices that have recently accessed your Google account. If there's a device you don't recognize or no longer have access to or use, click on it. A detailed view will open up and you'll have the option to sign out from that specific device. Doing this enhances your security further by reducing the number of entry points to your account. Finally, for an additional layer of security, it's a smart move to update your password. Choose something that's strong and unique, blending numbers, symbols, and both uppercase and lowercase letters. This may seem like an extra step, but it's an important barrier against unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've just learned how to manage and secure your Gmail account's active sessions. This routine check can help keep your digital communication secure, and it's always wise to be proactive about your online safety. Remember, regular maintenance of your security settings is key to protecting your information. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.